Hello guys, for today's video I will show you how to do the file services. Okay, first punta na kayo sa Windows Server na RAID nyo. Then punta kayo sa administrative tools yan. And then dito sa roles, then add roles. And tapos next, tapos file services, next. And next lang. Ito, i-check na tong mga to. And next lang, next. User account, select, admin, administrator yan, tas yung password. Wait lang yung, ito na. Yan. Yan, next. Next, yan, local disk, next. Next. Yan, local disk ulit. Yan. Hintayin lang natin. Yan, configuring na. And then close. And then wait lang, naglo-loading na siya. And then local disk, then mag-inyo tayo ng folder. Yan. Public. Tapos isa pa. vb.net naman yan. Yan, folder. C program. Yan yung isa pa. Apelido ko David NS28. Tapos isa pa ulit. Photo. Mail. Tapos isa pa. Photo. Female. And then copy natin. And administrative tools. Then yan. Yan dito. Tapos file groups. Tapos makikita nyo to. Then refresh. Tapos create a file group. File group name. Public. Ayan, files to include. Ayan, add. Files to exclude. exe. .com. .bb. bbs. Yan, okay. Yan na, nakita yung mga excluded that create file group properties. File group name bb. bb.net. Files to include. Asterisk. .zip. Asterisk.rar. Yan, okay. Yan, settings. That programs and files to include .c, .cpp, and add okay. File group ulit. David NS2A. .cpp. And PDF, rar, docs, ppt, wg. Yan, then okay natin siya. Then after that, you will see this again. You will name this photo mail. Yan, kamali pa. Mga files to include, yan, .jpg, .gif, .png, yan, add, and then another one for photo female, napindot pa yung nitrosense. Then parang ganun lang ulit, .gif, .jpg, .png, nandiyan yung mga ginawa natin. Then refresh, file screen template, file screen, yan. Then create template name, create lang, public, yan. Piliin natin dito itong public din, then edit. Yan, template name, VBNet. Yan, template name again. Yan, c._programs. Then, audio, videos, backup files, yan. Check lang natin yan lahat. Even sa David NS2, then yan. Ay, wala pala tong female na photo. Yan. Yan, template name, David NS2A again. Check ulit. Photo. Yan, photo. And okay. And after that, create file screen template, photo mail, photo, and after that, to administrative tools, then service manager, and roles, file services, share and storage management, and dito, then browse, yan, public, then next, yan, next lang, yan, ayan, next, yan, apply, then public, yan, public, next, create, yan, close, after that, yan, provision share, yan, browse, pag vb.net naman, then next, yes, no pa rin, SMB, NFS, next, then next, then administrator, have full control, yan, next, then apply quota, next, apply file screen, then VBNet, next, yan, next, yan, okay na, yan, tas ito, tas browse, Then C programs. Yan itong C. Next. Next. Check. Next. Ganun lang. Same lang sa una. Yan. Next. Next. And next. Yan. Apply quota. Apply file screen. Then C. Yan. Next. Create. Yan. Success. Vision here. Yan. Evidence 2A. Yan. Next. Tapos same as the earlier. Next. Next. Remove. Add. Yan. The V, then check name. Yan. Kapag okay na, cancel. Wait lang. Saan na nga yun? Service manager. And Active Directory. And then BNS items 280. Yan kung pangalan ko nandito. Hindi. Ayan. Balik tayo doon. Add. And check name. Yan. Okay. Then full control apply. Okay. Kasi akin yan. Next. Next. Yan. Apply quota. Apply file screen. Then evidence 2A. Next. Next. Yan. Success. And provision again. Tapos photo mail naman. Photo M na lang para in short. Photo mail. Yan. Yan. C. Next. Same as the earlier lang. And next. Admin. User group of custom share. Remove. Wait, check natin kung anong name. Photo. Yan. Gawa tayong new group. Mail. Yan din. Members, wala. Add tayo ng isa. Yan. Add ako sarili ko. Then add. Email bin. Yan. Add. Jason. J Tabige. Vincent. Yan. Dyan. Yan. Luis de Divas. Yan. Ito yung mga lalaki. Then Ryan. Yan. Zay. Apply. Then new. Sa babae naman. Female. Yan. Na-add tayo. Right click yan. Members add. Tasay. Ay kasi. Jonabel. Roseanne. Kate na yan. Aristea. Meron na pala. Dazarera. Yan. Davy Mare. Yan lang, unti lang sa babae sa amin eh. Sachi. Hazel. Yan. okay. Yan, then add natin. Mail, check name, yan. Yung server na ginawa natin kanina. Then change, apply, okay. Then next, apply quota. Apply file screen. Then photo mail, yan, next, create, yan, okay na. Then yung last, then isa pa yung female. Female naman. So, ginawa ko kanina. Yan, ito naman. Then, yan. Then yung C. Next. Yan, SMB, NFS, next. Description, ay wala yan, next. Tapos user, yan. Mag-add tayo, female photo. Yan. Change lang, walang full control, next. Wait lang. Next, yan, next. Then apply quota, apply file screen, then letter C. Ay, photo female, yan. Next, yan, success na. Yan, okay na yan. Itas mo yan, tapos na. Bye-bye!